Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Bindumars Easy Speaking English. Today let us learn about verbs. What is a verb? A verb is a doing word that shows an action. Let us learn different types of verbs. Okay, here I have written 5 types of verbs. Main verbs, helping verbs, linking verbs, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Right? First, let us learn main verbs. What is a main verb? Let's learn some examples for main verb. Here, main verbs. She teaches. Here I have written 3 sentences. She teaches. He helped her. They went to the temple. In first sentence, teaches is the verb. Right? What is the subject there? She. She is the subject and teaches is the verb. He helped her. He is the subject, helped is the main verb and object there. They went to the temple. What is the subject there? They, and main verb is went. 2 types of main verbs are there. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. Now let us learn what is transitive verb. Transitive verb which needs an object to complete the meaning. Intransitive doesn't need an object to complete the meaning. Okay, let us learn transitive verbs. I have written some examples for transitive verbs. Let us learn these sentences and find out what is transitive verb and how it is. Right? I wrote a letter. What is the verb here? Main verb is wrote. Suppose there is a question, if there is no object here, automatically a question arises. What did I write? Here, I wrote a letter. Without this object, it is not complete. Did you get all of you? So here, next one, Chinni sent a postcard to Germany. What did Chinni send? A postcard. So without postcard, we can't understand what is there. What did he send? And the next one, Anu left the keys on the table. What did Anu leave on the table? Keys. So without keys, the sentence is not complete. Left is the main verb here. And next one, my father took me to movies yesterday. Took. Here, took is the main verb. So did you understand this main verb? Wrote, sent, left and took. The major difference between transitive verb and intransitive verb is that a sentence with a transitive verb can be changed into passive voice. And a sentence with an intransitive verb cannot be changed into passive voice. Okay, here transitive and intransitive, both examples are here. Already transitive completed now. Intransitive now. The train arrived. What is the main verb here? Arrived. Arrived is the main verb. The students are sitting. Sitting is the main verb. She is laughing. Laughing is the main verb. Here we no need to get any object to get a complete meaning. Already it's completed. The train arrived. Then we got complete meaning. But transitive verb not like that. Transitive verb here, some more examples for understanding I have written here. She wrote a letter. Here wrote is the main verb. Without a letter it is not completing, isn't it? So she wrote a letter. Wrote is the main verb. John threw a ball. Threw is the main verb. She loves rainbows. Loves is the main verb. As I have told you earlier, let us show you one example for making it passive. Because the sentence transitive verb here, transitive verb is here. No? She wrote a letter. Wrote is the transitive verb. She wrote a letter is the active voice. No, we can make it passive voice. So how it is? A letter was written by her. A letter was written by her. Here, if there is no object, we can't make it passive. The next one is helping verbs. What are helping verbs? Helping verb is also called auxiliary verbs. Okay, auxiliaries. How many are there? Do you know? Auxiliaries are 24. Auxiliary verbs are 24 there. They are is, are, am, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, need, dare, ought to, used to. These are the auxiliaries. So auxiliaries, without auxiliaries we can't frame the sentence, isn't it? We have to get complete meaning with auxiliaries. Now let us learn linking verbs. Linking verbs explains a link between the subject of the sentence and a noun or adjective being linked to it. For example, the flowers are beautiful. Here, what is the linking verb? Automatically you could understand it is are. It linked with flowers and beautiful, right? Here, noun is here. How is the noun beautiful? It is adjective. So, it joined both. So that it is called a linking verb. Diamond is the hardest substance. How is diamond hardest substance? But it is, see, diamond is the hardest substance. Both linked with is. So, it is called linking verb. So, today we learn verbs and different types of verbs. What is a verb? Verb is an action word. Next one, different types of verbs. First one I told about main verb. And next one, main verb are two types, transitive and intransitive. And then helping verbs. Helping verbs are 24. And the next one is linking verb. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.